Hello there! Do you want to grow plants in such cute ceramic cups? Big problem is they don't have drainage hole. First let me admire how cute these ceramic cups are. I bought them from Amazon. So how to make hole in cup without breaking it? Fill the pot with water and submerge the cup in it. Make sure water level should be above the cup. Now you will need a nail and a hammer. Hammer the nail in the cup base with medium strokes and you will be able to make a hole in few strokes. Make the hole big with help of nail. And here it is. You have made a hole in ceramic cup without breaking it. Now make a lovely use of those cup you have with broken handles. You can follow same process for ceramic as well as bone china cups. Hit like if you love this idea. I will meet you in next video. Bye bye.